What influenced Jacob to return to the land of his father Isaac? Option A. Laban threatened to kill him. Option B. Laban was thinking about taking his daughters back from Jacob. Option C. Laban's sons were disturbed over Jacob's taking of Laban's wealth. Option D. Jacob longed to see his father and mother. The correct answer is option C. Laban's sons were disturbed over Jacob's taking of Laban's wealth. What iniquity did Jacob accuse Laban of as he was leaving Paddan Aram? Option A. He changed his wages 10 times. Option B. He stole sheep from his flock. Option C. He tricked him into serving for nothing. Option D. He tricked him in his marriage to Rachel. The correct answer is option A. He changed his wages 10 times. Where had Jacob anointed a pillar and made a vow to God? Option A. Beersheba. Option B. Bethel. Option C. Gilead. Option D. Haran. The correct answer is option B. Bethel. Laban's daughters accused their father of option A. supporting his sons over them, option B. kidnapping them, option C. tricking them, option D. selling them. The correct answer is option D. selling them. Where did Laban catch up with Jacob, who had fled from him? Option A. Jericho. Option B. Damascus. Option C. Gilead. Option D. Galilee. The correct answer is option C. Gilead. Laban complained that Jacob had run away, strictly not allowing him to option A. kiss his daughters and grandchildren goodbye. Option B. give his daughters their inheritance. Option C. pay Jacob the back wage he owed him. Option D. give him the family gods. The correct answer is option A. kiss his daughters and grandchildren goodbye. When Laban said he would have thrown a going away party for Jacob, what two musical instruments did he mention? Option A. trumpets and cymbals. Option B. harps and tambourines. Option C. drums and flutes. Option D. guitars and violins. The correct answer is option B. harps and tambourines. Laban complained to Jacob that someone had stolen. Option A. his gold rings. Option B. his family tents. Option C. his family gods. Option D. his sons' camels. The correct answer is option C. his family gods. How did Rachel hide the items she had stolen from Laban? Option A. she buried them in her tent. Option B. she sat on them. Option C. she hid them in a well. Option D. She covered them with a sheepskin. The correct answer is option B. She sat on them. Jacob claimed that he had worked for Laban for dash years. Option A 7, option B 14, option C 20, option D 25. The correct answer is option C 20. What did Laban call Jergar, Shahaduta and Jacob called Galid? Option A well where they made a covenant. Option B, a stream that would divided their lands. Option C, a child that was born to Leah. Option D, a heap of stones where they made a covenant. The correct answer is option D, a heap of stones where they made a covenant. Jacob and Laban swore by the God of Abraham and the God of Dash. Option A, Isaac. Option B, Nahor. Option C, the heavens. Option D, Laban. The correct answer is option B, Nahor. Who did Jacob meet at Mahanaim? Option A, Esau. Option B, his wives and children. Option C, angels of God. Option D, Laban's servants. The correct answer is option C, angels of God. What report did the messengers that Jacob had sent to announce his return to Esau bring back? Option A, that Esau was coming to meet Jacob with 400 men. Option B, that Esau was still angry on Jacob for stealing the blessing. Option C, that Esau was setting a trap to capture Jacob. Option D, that Esau was silent when they announced Jacob's coming. The correct answer is option A, that Esau was coming to meet Jacob with 400 men. What was Jacob's fearful response in preparation of his meeting with Esau? Option A, he scattered his family and wealth over the hills. Option B, he armed his servants. Option C, he had his wives and children leave the camp. Option D, he divided his people into two groups. The correct answer is option D. He divided his people into two groups. In Jacob's prayer to God prior to meeting Esau, he said when he originally crossed the Jordan, he only had what? Option A, the clothes on his back. Option B, a staff. Option C, a single sheep and goat. Option D, only a covering for his head. The correct answer is option B, a staff. In Jacob's prayer to God prior to meeting Esau, which except to God's covenantal promise did Jacob remind God of? Option A, God had promised him the land. Option B, God had promised he would be a blessing to all nations. Option C, God had promised his descendants would number as the sand. Option D, God had promised he would make him wealthy in herds. The correct answer is option C. God had promised his descendants would number as the sand. All of the following were gifts Jacob prepared to send ahead of himself to pacify Esau's anger, except option A, horses, option B, camels, option C, goats, option D, donkeys. The correct answer is option A, horses. The night before Jacob's meeting with Esau, where did Jacob go with his family? Option A, across the Jordan River. Option B, across the mountain of Gilead. Option C, across the Dead Sea. Option D, across the stream of Jabbok. The correct answer is option D, across the stream of Jabbok. When Jacob was wrestling with the man all night, what did Jacob require before he would let him go? Option A guarantee. Option B, a promise. Option C, a blessing. Option D, a covenant. The correct answer is option C, a blessing. How did the man Jacob wrestled with free himself? Option A, he paralyzed Jacob's arms. Option B, he touched Jacob's hip socket. Option C, he twisted Jacob's ankle. Option D, he blinded Jacob. The correct answer is option B, he touched Jacob's hip socket. What did Jacob ask of the person he wrestled with that was refused? Option A, who sent him? Option B, where he came from? Option C, to touch him? Option D, his name. The correct answer is option D, his name. Jacob named the place of wrestling dash because he said, I saw God face to face, and yet my life was spared. Option A, Bethel. Option B, Rehoboth. Option C, Peniel. Option D, Gilead. The correct answer is option C, Peniel. As a result of Jacob's wrestling, what do the Israelites not do till this day? Option A, limp when they walk. Option B, eat the hip tendon. Option C, wrestle at night. Option D, touch one another on his hip. The correct answer is option B, eat the hip tendon. Esau was living in Seir in the country of Dash. Option A, Ammon. Option B, Gilead. Option C, Negev. Option D, Edom. The correct answer is option D, Edom. The one wrestling with Jacob changed Jacob's name to Israel because Jacob had dash. Option A, defeated his brother. Option B, seen the face of God. Option C, struggle with God. Option D, been blessed by God. correct answer is option C. Struggled with God. Who was with Esau when he met Jacob on his return from Paddan Aram? Option A. The 5 kings of Gilead. Option B. 2 captains of the Philistines. Option C. 200 camels for gifts. Option D. 400 of Esau's men. The correct answer is option D. 400 of Esau's men. When Jacob's group met Esau on his return from Paddan Aram, who met Esau first? Option A. Leah and her sons. Option B. Rachel and her son. Option C. The maid servants and their sons. Option D. Jacob himself. The correct answer is option D. Jacob himself. As Jacob lined up his wives and children to meet Esau, who did he put first? Option A. Leah and her sons. Option B. Rachel and her son. Option C. The maid servants and her sons. Option D. Jacob himself. The correct answer is option C. The maid servants and her sons. Esau met Jacob in a manner that included all of the following actions except option A. Rejoiced. Option B. Threw his arms around him. Option C. Kissed him. Option D. Wept. The correct answer is option A. Rejoiced. When Jacob met Esau on his return from Paddan Aram, he said seeing Esau's face was like seeing what? Option A. The face of an angel. Option B. The face of God. Option C. A mighty warrior. Option D. The face of an old friend. The correct answer is option B. The face of God. Jacob refused Esau's offer to accompany him to Esau's home, alleging that option A. He needed to stop for water. Option B. His wives were tired and needed a rest. Option C. His cattle had nursing young and had to travel slowly. Option D. He must first return to Bethel to worship God there. The correct answer is option C. His cattle had nursing young and had to travel slowly. Jacob said he would visit Esau in his home in what region? Option A. Seir. Option B. Gilead. Option C. Galilee. Option D. Negev. The correct answer is option A. Seir. After Esau left, where did Jacob build shelter for his livestock? Option A. Gaza. Option B. Gilead. Option C. Seir. Option D. Sukkot. The correct answer is option D. Sukkot. What did Jacob call the altar he set up outside Shechem? Option A. Peniel. Option B. Il Elohe Israel. Option C. Bethel. Option D. Ebenezer. The correct answer is option B. Il Elohe Israel. From whom did Jacob purchase a place to put his tent outside Shechem? Option A. Abimelech, king of the Philistines. Option B. Tamar, the prince of the Canaanites. Option C. Hamor, the father of Shechem. Option D. Nahor, the son of Terah. The correct answer is option C. Hamor, the father of Shechem. Who was the mother of Dinah? Option A. Rachel. Option B. Leah. Option C. Zilpah. Option D. Bilhah. The correct answer is option B. Leah. Shechem was the son of Dash. Option A. Hamor. Option B. Bekoth. Option C. Abimelech. Option D. Melchizedek. The correct answer is option A. Hamor. What offense did Shechem commit against Israel? Option A. He violated Jacob's maid servant Bilhah. Option B. He stole from Jacob's herds. Option C. He took Jacob's wife Leah. Option D. He violated Dinah, the daughter of Jacob. The correct answer is option D. He violated Dinah, the daughter of Jacob. After hearing of Shechem's absence, what was Jacob's initial response? Option A. He was full of anger. Option B. He tore his clothes and put dust on his head. Option C. He kept quiet until his sons came home. Option D. He wept bitterly. The correct answer is option C. He kept quiet until his sons came home. Hamor offered Jacob all of the following if his son would be allowed to marry Dinah, except option A. To live in the land and acquire property. Option B. To set up altars to Jacob's God. Option C. To marry their daughters. Option D. To trade in the land. The correct answer is option B. To set up altars to Jacob's God. What one requirement did the sons of Jacob ask a precondition for their intermarrying with the Hivites of Shechem? Option A. All the males were to be circumcised. Option B. They had to pay Jacob 100 pieces of silver. Option C. They had to hand Shechem over them. Option D. They had to allow them to intermarry with their daughters. The correct answer is option A. All the males were to be circumcised. Where did Hamor address the people of his city to get them to intermarry with Jacob? Option A. The palace. Option B. By the well. Option C, the city gate. Option D, the city wall. The correct answer is option C, the city gate. Which two sons of Jacob smote the men of Shechem? Option A, Reuben and Judah. Option B, Asher and Naphtali. Option C, Benjamin and Joseph. Option D, Levi and Simeon. The correct answer is option D, Levi and Simeon. When did Jacob's two sons smite the men from the town of Shechem? Option A, as soon as they returned from the fields. Option B, 3 days after their circumcision. Option C, a week after their sister had been violated. Option D, as they circumcised each of the males of Shechem. The correct answer is option B, 3 days after their circumcision. How did Jacob react to his son's slaughter of the Hivites of Shechem? Option A, he was proud of their defending their sister's honor. Option B, he was angry at them for killing those innocent in Shechem. Option C, he was silent fearing the worth of his own sons. Option D, he feared he would be attacked when others heard of it. The correct answer is option D. He feared he would be attacked when others heard of it. After Shechem, where did God tell Jacob to go and build an altar? Option A, Hebron. Option B, Jerusalem. Option C, Bethel. Option D, Ramah. The correct answer is option C, Bethel. In preparation for returning to Bethel, Jacob told his family to purify themselves, change their clothes, and do what? Option A, to get rid of their foreign gods. Option B, to burn the plunder they had taken from the Shechemites. Option C, to repent and believe on the Lord. Option D, to prepare the best of their animals for sacrifice. The correct answer is option A, to get rid of their foreign gods. What did Jacob do with his family's earrings? Option A, buried them in a cave on mountain Gerizim. Option B, buried them under the oak at Shechem. Option C, burned them at the well of Jacob. Option D, ground them to dust and scattered them in the wind. The correct answer is option B, buried them under the oak at Shechem. Why was the place named Alon Bekuth? Option A, because there Jacob remembered his promise to God. Option B, because there Rachel died while having a child. Option C, because there Jacob buried his family's foreign gods. Option D, because Deborah, Rebekah's nurse, died there. The correct answer is option D, because Deborah, Rebekah's nurse, died there. When Jacob returned to Bethel, how did God identify himself in his blessing to Jacob? Option A, the Lord. Option B, the God of Bethel. Option C, God Almighty. Option D, the Lord God. The correct answer is option C, God Almighty. God told to Israel he should multiply and that nations and dash would come from his body. Option A, priests. Option B, kings. Option C, a Messiah. Option D, a prophet. The correct answer is option B, kings. What did Jacob do to the stone pillar he erected at Bethel in honor of his meeting God there? Option A, he poured olive oil on it. Option B, he offered a ram on it. Option C, he bowed before it. Option D, he pronounced a blessing on it. The correct answer is option A, he poured olive oil on it. What happened as Rachel gave birth near Ephrath? Option A, she rejoiced. Option B, she gave birth to twins. Option C, she died. Option D, she cried out to the Lord. The correct answer is option C, she died. What name did Rachel give to her son that Jacob renamed Benjamin? Option A, Reuben. Option B, Ben Asher. Option C, Ben Lehem. Option D, Ben Oni. The correct answer is option D, Ben Oni. What did Jacob put on Rachel's tomb? Option A, flowers. Option B, a pillar. Option C, a stone from each of his children. Option D, an altar to the Lord. The correct answer is option B, a pillar. Rachel is buried just outside what town? Option A, Jerusalem. Option B, Bethel. Option C, Bethlehem. Option D, Hebron. The correct answer is option C, Bethlehem. Who slept with Jacob's concubine Bilhah? Option A, Reuben. Option B, Levi. Option C, Esau. Option D, Judah. The correct answer is option A, Reuben. Who was Jacob's firstborn? Option A, Reuben. Option B, Levi. Option C, Judah. Option D, Joseph. The correct answer is option A, Reuben. What is another name for the town of Hebron? Option A, Ephrath. Option B, Migdal Eder. Option C. In Gedi. Option D. Kiryat Arba. The correct answer is option D. Kiryat Arba. To whom was Isaac gathered when he died? Option A. His children. Option B. His God. Option C. His people. Option D. His wife. The correct answer is option C. His people. Who buried Isaac? Option A. Jacob and his sons. Option B. Jacob and Esau. Option C. His wife Rebecca. Option D. The Lord. The correct answer is option B. Jacob and Esau. What was the town of Bethel formerly called? Option A. Laish. Option B. Mamre. Option C. Luz. Option D. Kiryat Arba. The correct answer is option C. Luz. Esau's wives were from what region? Option A. Philistia. Option B. Canaan. Option C. Egypt. Option D. Haran. The correct answer is option B. Canaan. One of Esau's wife was whose daughter? Option A. Abimelech. Option B. Pharaoh. Option C. Ishmael. Option D. Jacob. The correct answer is option C. Ishmael. In what region did Esau settle after separating from Jacob? Option A. Plains of Moab. Option B. Cities of the Dead Sea. Option C. Fields of the Negev. Option D. Hill country of Seir. The correct answer is option D. Hill country of Seir. Esau is the father of what tribal group? Option A. Edomites. Option B. Ammonites. Option C. Amalekites. Option D. Moabites. The correct answer is option A. Edomites. What tribal group of chiefs was living in the region where Esau would eventually settle? Option A. Ephraimites. Option B. Horites. Option C. Amorites. Option D. Philistines. The correct answer is option B. Horites. The king's list of Esau's descendants all came before what? Option A. Before there were high places in Israel. Option B. Before there were prophets in Israel. Option C. Before there were kings in Israel. Option D. Before the cities of Sodom were destroyed. The correct answer is option C. Before there were kings in Israel. Why did Esau separate and move away from his homeland in Canaan? Option A. The land could not support his herds and Jacob's. Option B. He found water for his herds outside of Canaan. Option C. He began trading with the herdsmen of the desert. Option D. He resented not receiving the blessing. The correct answer is option A. The land could not support his herds and Jacob's. When Joseph was 17, what did he do against his brothers? Option A. He brought back a bad report about them. Option B. He told his father they were trying to trick him. Option C. He tried to steal his father's blessing. Option D. He begged that their father favored him over them. The correct answer is option A. He brought back a bad report about them. Joseph's first family dream was about option A. He receiving a crown as his brothers bowed before him. Option B. His father's tent bowing before Joseph's. Option C. His brothers' sheaves of grain bowing down to his. Option D. His sheep and goats multiplying more than his brothers. The correct answer is option C. His brothers' sheaves of grain bowing down to his. Joseph's second family dream was about dash bowing before him. Option A. Sheep and goats. Option B. Sun, moon, stars. Option C. The trees. Option D. The mountains. The correct answer is option B. Sun, moon, stars. What was Joseph's brothers' response to his family dreams? Option A. Anger. Option B. Disappointment. Option C. Mockery. Option D. Jealousy. The correct answer is option D. Jealousy. Where did Joseph initially go to find his brothers? Option A. Dothan. Option B. Jerusalem. Option C. Shechem. Option D. Shiloh. The correct answer is option C. Shechem. Where did Joseph actually find his brothers grazing their flocks? Option A. Dothan. Option B. Jerusalem. Option C. Shechem. Option D. Shiloh. The correct answer is option A. Dothan. Who talked Joseph's brothers out of killing Joseph? Option A. Benjamin. Option B. Judah. Option C. Issachar. Option D. Reuben. The correct answer is option D. Reuben. What did Joseph's father give him that showed Joseph was the favorite? Option A. A fatted calf. Option B. His father's staff. Option C. A special robe. Option D. A gold ring. The correct answer is option C. A special robe. Where did Joseph's brother put him to imprison him? Option A. In a well. Option B. In a cistern. Option C. Tied him to a tree. Option D. In a cave. The correct answer is option B. In a cistern. When Judah saw the traders, he suggested Joseph be sold into slavery. Option A. Ishmaelite. Option B. Philistine. Option C. Egyptian. Option D. Hittite. The correct answer is option A. Ishmaelite. Where was the traders who purchased Joseph as a slave going? Option A. Haran. Option B. Negev. Option C. Egypt. Option D. Gilead. The correct answer is option C. Egypt. For how much was Joseph sold as a slave? Option A. 10 pieces of silver. Option B. 20 pieces of silver. Option C. 10 pieces of gold. Option D. Pieces and balm. The correct answer is option B. 20 pieces of silver. Which brother tried and failed to save Joseph? Option A. Benjamin. Option B. Judah. Option C. Issachar. Option D. Reuben. The correct answer is option D. Reuben. After selling Joseph into slavery, how did Jacob's sons deceive him? Option A. They dipped Joseph's robe into blood. Option B. They tore Joseph's robe into pieces. Option C. They had a servant report that an animal had killed Joseph. Option D. They said that the Ishmaelites had killed him. The correct answer is option A. They dipped Joseph's robe in blood. What did Joseph put on to show his mourning, thinking Joseph had been killed? Option A. A black robe. Option B. Joseph robe. Option C. Sackcloth. Option D. Dust on his head. The correct answer is option C. Sackcloth. whom did the Midianites sell Joseph? Option A. The Pharaoh of Egypt. Option B. Abimelech, king of the Palestines. Option C. To the Ishmaelites who took him to Egypt. Option D. Potiphar, the captain of Pharaoh's guard. The correct answer is option D, the captain of Pharaoh's guard. Who was Judah's Adullamite friend that he stayed with? Option A. Kezib. Option B. Abimelech. Option C. Hira. Option D. Potiphar. The correct answer is option C. Hira. Judah married a woman of what nationality? Option A. Canaanite. Option B. Hittite. Option C. Philistine. Option D. Midianite. The correct answer is option A. Canaanite. All of the following were Judah's son except Option A. Er. Option B. Shua. Option C. Onan. Option D. Sila. The correct answer is option B. Shua. Who was Judah's son's wife? Option A. Dinah. Option B. Elishama. Option C. Shua. Option D. Tamar. The correct answer is option D. Tamar. Who did God put to death for spilling his seed? Option A. Er. Option B. Shua. Option C. Onan. Option D. Sila. The correct answer is option C. Onan. Which son was Judah hesitant to give to his daughter-in-law? Option A. Er. Option B. Shua. Option C. Onan. Option D. Selah. The correct answer is option C. Onan. Who died just before the meeting of Judah and Tamar as Judah was going to share sheep? Option A. Er. Option B. Judah's wife. Option C. Shelah. Option D. Jacob. The correct answer is option B. Judah's wife. Why did Judah mistake his daughter-in-law for a prostitute? Option A. She wore red clothes. Option B. She uncovered her feet. Option C. She took off her head covering. Option D. She covered her face. The correct answer is option D. She covered her face. What did Judah's daughter-in-law require as a pledge from Judah? Option A. His seal. Option B. His coat. Option C. A gold coin. Option D. His sandal. The correct answer is option A. His seal. What did Judah offer to pay his daughter-in-law to sleep with her? Option A. A sheep. Option B. A gold coin. Option C. A goat. Option D. His inheritance. The correct answer is option C. A goat. Where was Judah going when he met his daughter-in-law in the entrance to Enaim? Option A. To visit his sons at Shechem. Option B. To Timnah to shear sheep. Option C. To Bethel to build an altar. Option D. To Geba to get some water. The correct answer is option B. To Timnah to shear sheep. When Judah found out his daughter-in-law was pregnant, what was his initial response? Option A. To have her stoned. Option B. To exile her to the desert. Option C. To give her part of the inheritance. Option D. To have her burned to death. The correct answer is option D. To have her burned to death. After Judah's immorality was exposed, he responded, option A, by saying she had been more righteous than he had. Option B, by condemning her for tricking him. Option C, by acknowledging that it was the will of the Lord. Option D, by giving his final son to her to wed. The correct answer is option A, by saying she had been more righteous than he had. When Judah's daughter-in-law gave birth to twins, how did the midwife seek to identify the child that was born first? Option A, put the firstborn on a white sheepskin. Option B, put Judah's signet ring on the firstborn's hand. Option C, put a scarlet thread on his wrist. Option D, circumcised the firstborn immediately. The correct answer is option C, put a scarlet thread on his waist. Which of Judah's son was named because he had broken out ahead of his brother? Option A, Eliah. Option B, Pharez. Option C, Shumuah. Option D, Jerah. The correct answer is option B, Pharez.